pollution has put our health at risk, especially in a city like Delhi and a country like India. Air pollution reaches hazardous levels. Hello everyone, my name is Ramsha Sultan and I have come up with a solution for the pollution. Presenting Car Air Purifiers by Creav, which can purify the environment and help us breathe easier. Creav has 3 different car air purifiers catering to your different needs. So let's have a look at these car air purifiers along with their features. The first air purifier is Majesto. This air purifier is equipped with 6-stage filtration process including UV lamp and anion generator. It removes up to 99% of harmful particles. It has an integrated air quality sensor that can detect the current air quality, which can be shown by the LED lights. Along with an external USB port, it also has a built-in timer which will automatically power off after long continuous use. Also, with the nylon strap, you can hang it behind the headrest of the driver's seat or the passenger seat, which can save much space. To test how effective this air purifier is, we did an air quality test inside the car and took the readings before and after using this air purifier, and the results are remarkable. The next air purifier is Zephyr. Made up of 2 mm thick hard aluminum body, it not only indicates the current air quality but also shows you the humidity level of the treated air and the ambient temperature. For switching it on or off or for changing modes, you just have to easily hover your hand over it. The third air purifier is Aura. This small and light purifier is equipped with a negative ion generator, an activated carbon and cold catalyst filter. It can operate with a single touch. It has a USB port so that you can charge other devices while powering it. It also has some animated lights to light up your environment. These car air purifiers are especially useful for people who spend most of their time traveling and in traffic jams, and also very useful for people who suffer from diseases like asthma or from allergies. For more information, you can log on to their website creav.in. These air purifiers are available on all major e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart and Paytm. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do share it with anyone who would definitely need these air purifiers. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.